mineral and power resources. Learning about water power, some non-conventional sources of energy, India's natural resources, and conservation of resources. Water power. Water power is generated by the force of falling water in hydroelectric power stations. It can be transported by transmission lines. The generation of hydroelectric power does not cause pollution like thermal power plants. For development of hydroelectric power, certain conditions are necessary. The river on which a dam is to be built should make a waterfall. Waterfalls are the ideal sites for generation of power. The river should not carry too much personal activity. The river should be perennial, that is, have water throughout the year. A dam has to be built to check and store the water. The walls of the dam should be hard enough to anchor water. Regions having rainfall throughout the year, like Western Europe and equatorial areas, are best suited for the development of water power. The construction of hydroelectric power station involves high capital costs in the construction of dams, powerhouses, and transmission lines. The tropical regions of Asia, Africa, and South America have abundant potential of hydroelectric power. Europe has the largest potential of power, followed by North America. Some important hydroelectric power projects of the world are the Tennessee Valley Project in USA, Aswan Dam of Egypt, Kariba Dam on River Zambezi, and Volga River Project in Russia. Some non-conventional sources of energy. Solar energy. Sun is the most important source of energy. It is now harnessed for heating homes and water. Solar cookers have also been developed. Wind energy. The energy from winds has been tapped for generation of power by using windmills. Netherlands, France, etc. have developed wind energy. Tidal energy. Tidal energy is developed by building tidal dams. France has developed tidal power. Geothermal energy. Geothermal energy is developed from hot springs and geysers. It is developed in Iceland, Italy, and United States. India's natural resources. India is rich in minerals and power resources. A brief survey of India's resources is given below. Iron. It is estimated that nearly 25% of the known iron ore reserves of the world lies in India. India is rich in both the quality and quantity of iron ore. India has largely hematite and magnetic quality of iron ore. Main iron ore mines lie in Singhbhum in Jharkhand, Keonjhar and Mayurbhanj in Orissa, Raipur and Baladila in Chhattisgarh. Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Goa are other important producers of iron ore. Manganese. It is estimated that India has 167 million tons of manganese resources. The major producers of manganese are the states of Karnataka, Orissa, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Goa. Bauxite. Bauxite is the ore from which aluminium is extracted. Aluminium is widely used for its quality. Bauxite deposits are widely distributed in Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Jharkhand. Mica. India produces nearly 90% of the world's mica. It is largely used in electrical appliances. India is the largest exporter of mica, largely mined in Hazaribagh, Gaya and Munger districts of Chhota Pradesh and Bhilwara in Rajasthan also produce mica. Coal. India is a country having good reserves of coal. Most of the coal mines are located in Damodar Basin, Raniganj, Jharia, Bokaro and Giridih are the main mining areas of the basin. Some coal is mined in Godavari Basin, Mahanadi Basin and the Chhattisgarh Plains. Most of the coals are of good bituminous quality. Lignite is mined in Neyveli region of Tamil Nadu. Petroleum. Assam was the only state producing mineral oil for several years. After 1950, other areas were explored and oil was found in Mumbai High under the seabed, a very rich area. Other oil mining areas are Cambay offshore area and deltaic areas of Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri and Mahanadi. Natural gas. Our gas reserves occur in association with petroleum mining areas. Gas is found in the offshore areas of Maharashtra, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Orissa. Nuclear power. India is rich in some atomic energy minerals. Uranium is available in Singhbhum region and parts of Rajasthan and also along the Kerala coast. India has set up atomic power plants at Tarapur, Rawatbhata, Kalpakkam and Narora. Wind and tidal energy has not been developed much in India, though conditions are suitable for developing wind power in Maharashtra, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. The Gulf of Kutch and Cambay are suitable for tidal energy. Solar energy could be abundantly developed in India. A beginning has been made in this direction. Small and medium-sized solar power stations are being planned. India has not much resource for geothermal energy. A small plant has been set up at Manikaran in Himachal Pradesh. Conservation of resources. Minerals and power resources play a dominant role in the modern industrial life. They need to be conserved. These resources are largely non-renewable and once they are consumed cannot be replaced except over a long period of natural process. If we go on using the mineral and power resources without saving them for the future, the subsequent generations will have to find out an alternative source of energy. These resources have come to us as our natural and cultural heritage. We must make a rational use of it, keeping the future generations in mind. Summary. Water power can be harnessed to produce hydroelectric power. Some non-conventional sources of energy are solar, wind, tidal and geothermal energy. India is rich in minerals and power resources. Minerals and power resources play a dominant role in our lives and these resources take a very long time to be renewed. So we should use these resources judiciously, keeping the future generations in mind. As all in this lesson, keep learning. Summary. Water power can be harnessed to produce hydroelectric power. Some non-conventional sources of energy are solar, wind, tidal and geothermal energy. India is rich in minerals and power resources. Minerals and power resources play a dominant role in our lives and these resources take a very long time to be renewed. So we should use these resources judiciously, keeping the future generations in mind. As all in this lesson, keep learning. Summary. Water power can be harnessed to produce hydroelectric power. Some non-conventional sources of energy are solar, wind, tidal and geothermal energy. India is rich in minerals and power resources. Minerals and power resources play a dominant role in our lives and these resources take a very long time to be renewed. So we should use these resources judiciously, keeping the future generations in mind. As all in this lesson, keep learning.